Hi, this is the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the home screen, from the folder to the home screen, just hold it and drag it here. But if you want to remove it from the home screen or from the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.